So what is Windows Server 20H2? You may have heard this term. This is the latest version of Windows Server 2019. We are now in 2021. Microsoft cannot continue to call their latest flagship server product 2019, and we're all the way into 2021. Now, what Microsoft has done for Windows 10 and their server products, they've long had this semi-annual channel. The way the semi-annual channel works, Microsoft will create a new version, and the version is formatted in year and month. So version 1803 is in 2018. That's when it was released in March. So the third month of 2018. This would have been in September 2018, 1809. 1909 would have been in September of 2019. Now that we're into the 20s, Microsoft has this, which is really 2020, 04. We know that was released in April of 2020. Microsoft released this 20H2, and they slightly changed the name. The H2 stands for second half. So this was released in the second half of 2020. So you'll see the name 20H2 show up. Know that it is Server 2019. It is simply the latest version of Server 2019. Now, for the most part, it is still referred to as Server 2019, but you may see the term 20H2. This is not a new operating system. There's nothing specifically unique about it. It is the same concept as all of these previous OSs being in the semi-annual channel. So updates and things like that that are developed over time are just incorporated in these new versions in the semi-annual channel. So Server 2019 and Windows Server 20H2, they are just synonymous with each other.